So first things first, I just want to start all this shit out by giving gratitude to everybody who helped put this on. Like, give gratitude to one, my big sister. Give gratitude to Paco. Give gratitude to all the performance lineup. Give gratitude to all the vendors. Give gratitude to the Crescent Cultural Center themselves for opening up the space for us to do this set. You know what I'm saying? Why aren't you at Rolling Loud? Why aren't you going to Rolling Loud BHAM, bro? Like, at this point, I know y'all been seeing either this or this floating around the ground or some shit, you know what I'm saying? Anybody can come. Anybody can come. Nigga, you can come. Your bros can come. Your grandma can come. Your little sis can come. Your little bro can come. Your little bro, little sis, little cousin can come. Your great grandma can come. Your motherfucking first, second cousin, auntie, grandma, uncle, pastor, cousin, husband, dog, TT, grandma, auntie, uncle, nephew, stepbrother, cousin-in-law can come. Everybody can pull up, bro. You know what I'm saying? It's not in Tuscaloosa. The address is Tuscaloosa Avenue. That's like West End, like Ensley over there and shit. Like, yo, you know what I'm saying? So to people who think it's in Tuscaloosa, it's not in Tuscaloosa. That's the name of the street that it's on. So for any confusion, that's that. Rolling Loud BHAM, nigga. So boom, it's gonna be a whole performance lineup, live performances starting at shit. I think we starting the performance at 6, goddamn 6. We gonna be in this bitch all night. Don't hold rolling all motherfucking night, nigga. So y'all niggas get ready, nigga. This shit a festival, nigga. We live. Hella vendors. So pull up with some cash. Y'all know y'all gonna wanna buy some shit, bro. Hey, bring your boards, bring your roller skates, bring your roller blades, skateboards, roller skate, roller blade, whatever you do. Hey, that's what we going with. It's gonna be hella skaters. It's gonna be ramp set up for us to do shit on. All that shit. Nice smooth ground, the ground real nice and smooth. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't gotta worry about no trouble, none of that. Yeah, nigga, raffles. It's gonna be food there, so y'all ain't gotta be hungry. You know what I'm saying? Drinks. Make sure y'all niggas staying hydrated while y'all out there bitch skating, bro. Stay hydrated. Hey, it's gonna be like party, like disco lights everywhere, lights off, all that shit, nigga, type shit, nigga. See why it's called Rolling Loud, like type shit. Rolling Loud, you know what I'm saying? Rolling Loud, goddamn. Rolling Loud BHAM. If you don't show, then fuck wrong with you, bro? Fuck wrong with you? Like, I know it's some of my subscribers. I got like just 100 some, so like, to me, nigga, that's a lot of motherfuckers. I know it's some niggas here that I don't know who easily live in the ham. Like, I want to see who be watching my shit, you know what I'm saying? I be looking at my Instagram story, I be like, who the fuck is these people? Type shit, like, bro, I'm excited as fuck. Nigga. You should be too. This shit finna be hype as fuck, lit as fuck, bro. Tell y'all niggas, bro, pull the fuck up, bro. You don't wanna miss this shit, nigga. You don't wanna miss this shit, bro. Bring your boards, bring your rollerblade skates, bring your skate blade, your skate roller skates, goddamn. And I'ma see y'all niggas at Rolling Loud. Come to Rolling Loud. If you ain't the Rolling Loud, you a lame ass nigga. You a lame ass nigga. To be honest. To be quite, what they say. To be quite frank with you. To be quite frank with you, if you're not at Rolling Loud, where the fuck else? Where the fuck else would you be? Where? It's Thursday in that bit. Rolling Loud is Saturday. Gonna Rolling Loud, bro. Pull up, nigga. You gonna have the time of your life, nigga.